Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide that will help you to get rid of the fake human verification alerts that come from the website ads4uguide.com. ads4uguide.com is a fake fake human verification alert that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It basically tries to trick you into clicking on this special allow button, supposedly to make you confirm that you are not a robot. The reality is that clicking on allow is dangerous and risky. In case you do that, your browser will be hijacked. You may be redirected to some other junk sites in the internet, and because of that, your computer may be infected. You may start receiving a lot of advertisements that will be displayed in the right part of the screen, and these ads, of course, are not decent. They may promote some potentially unwanted or even malicious software. So if you have clicked on allow button by mistake, you should urgently implement some browser fixes. And this is the way you can do it. Access the menu of the browser, go to settings, choose privacy and security, click on site settings, go to permissions, select notifications. Pay very careful attention to the websites allowed to send notifications. And if you find this malicious site ads4uguide.com, make sure you delete it from this list. And also delete other malicious sites that could be causing such troubles. Finally, to make sure that your system is free of any other concealed infections, I would recommend investigating it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this page, the official page, combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the application, start researching your system, and Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.